We've got a little ambition today. That's few and far between anymore. Unfortunately, I have other stuff that I'm kind of dealing with mentally and physically, but you just try to stay alive the best you can and do the best you can every day and try to feel excited about a lot of stuff. And it's been a long time since I've been excited about something. So um, I got some stuff been here for a long darn time, like approaching a year. They've been very patient with me, but I've been wanting to build this jig for quite a while. It's essentially just I used to love tool and die fixturing in the sense to where it's proprietary to the job that you're doing, uh, and yeah, it could be replicated, but yeah, powered up the CNC, and essentially this is just quite some time ago. I did a mod on these old bowls to the point where I can use these really nice sight glasses. They have an O-ring, they're sealed, and they have a British taper thread, which I have the tap for, but you're only grabbing a couple threads in the material, so it's not really a huge thing. It's the huge thing was for quite a while was I did it by hand and had a jig bolted to the table, but I hated it. So in that regard, I'm like, you know what? I've been wanting to do this for a while, so I said screw it. Essentially, in this particular application, I can just slip it on there. Um, Slip my bolts on here, or my wing nuts, and I'm not going to do the other one because I think you get the idea. Slip the other one on there, but the mindset is that to have a 90-degree fixture that holds this to where I can spot face it all these different steps, and if it gets up into the shoulder, which it does, when you tap it, then I can come through with a spot face on the fly, uh, and then piloted through the hole before you tap it, and then spot face it, and then the O-ring will have a nice seat to seal to. So like I said, I've been wanting to do that for quite a while. The mindset was this Bergmaster drill, which has several different attachments, but I have yet to get that fired up due to the fact that it's three-phase. I have some converters that I need to get implemented. I just lost a lot of drive in the shop in itself. A lot of the proprietary, I don't want to say proprietary, but a lot of the mindset on different jigs and fixturing I'd like to cover, um, but me as a person, I don't have a whole lot of patience for it. So the next thing here is I'm going to do another set of studs to where that way I can work this top here, structurally with the jig versus by hand, or flip it over, and do drill tap, whatever you want to do here as well. So a lot of stuff isn't really important as far as tolerance is concerned. It's just whether or not it's square to the sealing surface kind of thing. So just thought I'd try to cover that jig. Pretty simple setup. It was a lot of material that's been laying around here. I got tons of that over the years, and the job that I work at now, it's different from the job that I had for 20 years. They wanted to, you couldn't have nothing. Whereas this job I have now, it's an overabundance of the things that I do. So, and it's relatable to the shop. So yeah, I'm going to try to get some components powder coated, machined, just to kind of get back into the system or the swing of things, hopefully. I'm probably not going to take on the jobs that I used to, but I still want to do it. So, yeah, that's all I got to say about that. Thanks.